Okay guys, we're in Virginia again. Yeehaw. And it is snowing. Gosh, that's going down my... Ooh. Ooh. Some big flakes too coming down. If you guys can see. Look, there goes a kitty cat. Run for your wife, kitty. I'll walk out here a little ways. Ooh. Some big flakes coming down. As you can see in the light, I'm probably getting it on the lens too. Yeah, I am. You guys ain't gonna see much of nothing. Yep. More snow. Great. I hate snow. Just wanted to give you guys a little heads up. There goes my baby with all her snow on her. Alright, thank you guys, and maybe tomorrow it'll be all gone when I wake up. We can only pray. That's what's going on in Virginia right now. And I am out of here. Bye guys.